Hi friends, today we're going to show you how to prepare ambotik, and to prepare this ambotik I'll be using squids. I'll be using 500 grams of squids, and to that I'm going to add some salt. As we have added salt to this, let's mix all this well together and leave it aside. So friends, to prepare the ambotik masala I'm using 6 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 15 to 18 black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 4 cloves and 6 garlic cloves. Now let's add all these spices in a mixer blender. So I've took a small lemon size of tamarind and I've soaked in the lukewarm water, about 100 ml of water. So I'm going to add that too. So there is already 100 ml of water which I've added along with the tamarind. So I'm adding little bit more water, about 50 ml of, and I will see the consistency when I'm going to grind this. Now let's go and grind this. So I have ground this, and as you see, I've not got really good consistency. I'm going to add little bit more water, about another 50 ml of water, and I'm going to grind this back again. So friends, our masala is ready. This is perfectly done, very nice and smooth. Let's leave this aside and start to prepare the ambotik. So take a pot and add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Now add 1 finely chopped onion. I'm using a large onion in this. Now let's saute this very well until it changes its color. The onion is very well done now. Now let's add the masala. So I've used the whole masala because of the 500 grams of squids that I'm using. Now let's saute this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute. I'm roasting this masala on a very low flame and it's smelling really good. Now I'm going to add water to this. I've got 1 cup of water. I've added into mixer jar. So all the masala which was left inside, I've just washed it out. Now we're going to add this in here. Now let's bring this to a boiling point. At this point of time, if you feel like you need to add some more water, you still can use it, and depends on your consistency how you want to have it. Now there is a nice boil. At this point now, we are going to add all the calamaris inside. Now let's mix this and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes for now. Now at this time, in 5 minutes time, I'm going to add 5 kokum, which is binda sola. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of goan vinegar, or you can use any vinegar. I'm using vinegar because this is going to balance the spiciness. Add salt as per your taste. Now let's cover this with a lid and let it get cooked for 10 to 15 minutes on a very medium flame. So friends, our ambotik is ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.